Welcome to the future of smartphones. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is not just a phone. It's a foldable powerhouse that promises to change the way we interact with our mobile devices. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a stunning design that's both sleek and functional. At just 239 grams, it's impressively light for a foldable device. The main display is a massive 7.6-inch QXGA plus dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display. With a resolution of 2160 by 1856 and a pixel density of 374 ppi, it offers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making it perfect for everything from watching movies to editing photos. And it's not just about looks. The display is equipped with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ranging from 1 to 120 Hz. This means smoother scrolling, seamless transitions, and an overall more responsive experience. When folded, you're greeted by the 6.3-inch HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X cover display. With a 22.1:9 aspect ratio and a crisp 410 ppi, it's perfect for quick tasks and one-handed use, without compromising on quality. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy. This chipset, combined with 12 GB of RAM, ensures lightning-fast performance and efficient multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or switching between multiple apps, this device handles it all with ease. Choose between 256 GB, 512 GB, or a whopping 1 TB of storage to ensure you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Running on Android 14 with One UI 6.1.1. The software experience is as intuitive as it is powerful. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes equipped with a versatile camera setup. The primary camera is a 50MP lens with an f1.8 aperture, capturing stunning images even in low-light conditions. Pair this with a 12MP ultrawide camera and a 10MP telephoto lens, and you've got a photography powerhouse in your pocket. Need to take a quick selfie or join a video call? The 10MP front camera and 4MP inner camera have you covered, ensuring you look your best from any angle. Powering all these features is a robust 4,400 mAh battery. Thanks to the 25W fast charging, you can get up to 50% battery life in just 30 minutes of charging. Whether you're out all day or using the phone for intensive tasks, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has the endurance to keep up. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 the future of smartphones? With its innovative design, top-tier performance, and cutting-edge features, it certainly sets a new standard for what we can expect from our mobile devices. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what feature of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 excites you the most.